Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Seminyak area on Petitenget Street. So if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment in November 2021, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will explore Seminyak area on Petitenget Street. And also at the end of this video, I will explore Kayujati Street. So now we start from Petitenget Street. So today we will see together how the situation at the moment in Petitenget Street on Thursday, 18 November 2021. Yeah, it looks quite busy, isn't it? There's a lot more to buy drive around in this area. And also, you can see the right side. Yeah, there's the hotel and a lot of car parking there at the front of the hotels. It means like there's a lot of people stay there at the moment. That's really good. Actually, I'm gonna say on Thursday, usually in this area it's not so busy. Because this area I was busy only during the weekend. If you see the weather today, it's so clear. It's so beautiful day. Very blue sky. Okay guys, now we continue driving in the main street of Petitenget. You can see the right side. There is another hotel and there is a lot of car parking there. A lot of customer in that hotel. That's really good. So I'm gonna say in this area it's quite busy today, isn't it? And also I actually already explored this area update around 2 weeks ago, so you can compare how the different, how the busy last 2 weeks ago and today. If I straight down at the front, there is a lot of villa area right there, but I will turn left because we keep straight driving down on Petitenget Street. You see the right side? Yeah, there is ice cream shop, the pink ice cream shop. Okay guys, now we continue driving in Petitenget Street. And if you just find this channel, and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, also you can share this video, because there's a lot of people missing Bali for sure. And don't forget to hit the bell, because I will always update the new situation in Bali during this pandemic. On Petitenget Street along the way, there is a lot of hotel just beside the street. And also there is some shop, but not so much. So that's why, before the pandemic corona in this area, I was a lot of people walk around on the sidewalk usually. But yeah, today, it looks so quiet on the sidewalk, but I'm really happy because on the road there is a lot of car and motorbike drive around. And also today I see a lot of taxi parking just beside the street. They're waiting for the customer. You see at the front, left side? Yeah, there is a taxi parking and waiting for the customer. That's really good. Oh yeah, there's a tourist on motorbike. They go by motorbike transport. And now in Bali there is a lot of tourists go by application transport, motorbike transport or car transport. The application company we call Grab or Gojek. And also there is a lot of tourists only use application to order the food. It's so easy in Bali now. You see the sign on the right side? There is a W hotel entrance. And that car also go to the W hotels. And also beside W hotel, there is one beach club we call Potato Head. Actually, I'm gonna say the situation at the moment in this area compared with 2 months ago is much better, because around 2 months ago when Bali still in lockdown, there is not so many car and motorbike parking inside the street, and also so many car and motorbike drive around on the road. Was very quiet. But now I say it's better because there is some car and motorbike parking, and also they drive around on the road. And also, if you want to know how different the situation today and 2 weeks ago, you can find the video down this video. And also, if you want to know how the situation in Bali day by day or week per week, you can find in this channel, because this channel is about update situation in Bali, also some tours in Bali. Yeah, there is another taxi parking beside the street and another taxi on the road. That's really good. And in the right side there is village temple, and beside the temple there is Petitenget beach. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Petitenget Street, and now we will continue driving to explore Kayu Jati Street. And as we know together, Kayu Jati Street also a very famous street because it's like a shortcut to go to Seminyak Central. Yeah, now we are in Kayu Jati Street. And Kayu Jati Street is very famous because there is one motel we call Mexicola, also nightclub. You see left side, there is Mexicola. I was busy during the night time. And also at the front left side there is one hotel, and there is some car parking there. Day by day in this hotel I was busy. That's really good. And you see at the front left side there is a local restaurant, I mean Indonesian food, but in the parking looks so empty. And right side the big building we call B Villa Seaside. Usually some car parking at the front of the villa, but today there's look empty. Maybe the guests who live in there, they just make a tour in Bali, so look very empty today. Oh, there is some tourists on the sidewalk. That's really good. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Kayu Jati Street and also on Petitenget Street. So what do you think? Okay guys, that was our journey today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.